Students, this is a video on session 8 of Royalty Accounts Unit. In this video, you are going to learn what is floating recoupment and you will learn how to pass journal entries and prepare ledger accounts with minimum rent account. So let's move on to the problem. Bhanu Pratap, author of Financial Accounting book, has entered into an agreement with Mangalore Publishers. So author or lessor or owner is Bhanu Pratap and Mangalore Publishers are lessees. Royalty payable is 20% of sale price of the book. So selling price of the book is 75 per copy sold, 75 rupees per copy sold. So number of copies sold is given to you. Number of copies sold into 75 rupees will give you sales, total sales in rupees. Into 20% if you do, you will get royalty payable. Or 75 rupees into 20% will be 15 rupees. So this 15 rupees will be royalty. So 15 rupees into 2000, 15 rupees into 2800, like that if you do also, you will get the same royalty amount. Okay. So anyway, whatever is comfortable to you, you can do it. So 2000 into 75 rupees will give you total sales of the book. Into 20% if you do, that is royalty. Okay. The author is to be paid minimum amount of 50,000, so this is minimum rent. Each year's excess of minimum rent over royalty is recoverable out of surplus royalty during the next 3 years. So recovery time is next 3 years. First year short working will be recovered in second, third and fourth year. Second year short working will be recovered in third, fourth and fifth year, like that. Okay. Now number of copies sold is given to you. So you do not know the total sales. Number of copies, unit sales, units you know, but you don't know sales in rupees. Okay. So you have to multiply this with 75 rupees in order to ascertain sales in rupees, that is sales price. In order to ascertain that, number of copies sold into 75 rupees if you do, total sales into 20% if you do, you will get royalty. Okay, so pass journal entries and prepare minimum rent account, royalty account, lessors account and short workings account. So here number of units sold is given in the question. Sale price is number of units into 75 rupees. So sale price into 20% you will get royalty. Okay, so 1,50,000 into 20%, 2,10,000 into 20%, like that. Okay, so you will get royalty amount. Minimum rent is 50,000 given in the question. So what is short working? Minimum rent minus royalty. Whenever minimum rent is more than royalty, you will get short workings. So 50 minus 30, 20. 50 minus 42, 8,000. Here you don't have short workings because royalty is more than minimum rent. Simple. Now short working recovery. This is a little interesting. 20,000 extra that you have paid in 2015 can be recovered in 2016, 17 and 18. Now in 2016 you cannot recover because there is short working. Whenever there is short working, there will be no recovery. In 2017 you have recovered 17,500. How did you get the 17,500? 67,500 minus 50,000, 17,500 fully you recovered. So out of 17,500 is recovered, 2,500 is still left. 20,000 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 17,500 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ 2017 ಇನ್ನೂ 2,500 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮು ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ 2018 ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 90 minus 50, 40,000 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ? 28,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದ್ದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಫುಲ್ 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 17,500 ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 20. ಇನ್ನೂ 2,500 ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ 2,500ನ ನಾವು 2018 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 2,500 ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಕವರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 2018. ಈ 2,500 ಯಾವುದು? ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 20, 17,500 is recovered, 2,500 is still remaining. It will be recovered in 2018. ಇನ್ನು 8,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 2016 ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇದೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ 2018. ಸೊ 8,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2,500, 10,500 ನಾವು ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು? 90 minus 50, 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫುಲ್ 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ 2,500 ಇಸ್ whatever is remaining here. 20,000 minus 17,500 is 2,500 plus 8,000 rupees 2016 ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ನ ನಾವು ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. 10,500 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 90,000ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10,500 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 79,500 ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. 50,000 ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 90 minus 10,500 ಮಾಡಿ 79,500ನ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 60 and 50,000ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60,000ನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಕವರಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದ್ರೂ ರಿಕವರಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 60,000ನ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಟ್ಟೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ 67,500ಅಲ್ಲಿ 17,500 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 50,000 ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. 90,000 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, 90 and 50ನ 90,000 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. 90,000ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10,500 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 79,500 ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. 10,500 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು? 20,000 ಮೈನಸ್ 17,500, 2,500 ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ರಿಕವರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರಿಕವರಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿ 10,500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 79,500 ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 90. 60,000 ಫುಲ್ಲು ಕಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಕವರಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 60,000ನೇ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್. Now let's move on to journal entries. First 2 years you have short workings, so the journal entries will be this is a problem with minimum rent, so journal entries will be this one. So minimum rent account debtor, lessors account debtor, minimum rent account debtor to lessors account, royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to minimum rent, lessors account debtor to bank, production account debtor or P&L account debtor to royalty. Now here it is based on sales, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ P&L account debtor to royalty ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ರಿಕವರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ರಿಕವರಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ 3 ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ account debtor to Bhanu Pratap. Bhanu Pratap is your lessor. Okay, so minimum rent account debtor to Bhanu Pratap, royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to minimum rent, Bhanu Pratap's account debtor to bank, P&L account debtor to royalty. Why P&L account debtor? Because it is based on sales. Royalty is based on sales. Now what is the amount? First year minimum rent is 50,000. The same amount is written. Royalty account debtor, royalty column amount 30,000. Short workings account debtor, short working column amount 20,000. To minimum rent column amount 50,000. Bhanu Pratap's account debtor to bank, the same amount. Bhanu Pratap and the same amount should be written here to bank. P&L account debtor to royalty amount that you have written here should be written 30,000. Okay, so I hope 2015 entries are clear. 2016 entry, minimum rent account debtor to Bhanu Pratap, same set of journal entries. Royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to minimum rent, Bhanu Pratap's account debtor to bank, P&L account debtor to royalty, same set of journal entries, but amount will be minimum rent to Bhanu Pratap 50,000, royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to minimum rent, amount will be royalty column amount, short workings column amount, minimum rent amount. Here Bhanu Pratap's account debtor to bank, cash paid column amount, or this minimum rent account rent amount, both are one and the same. P&L account debtor to royalty column amount. So we have finished journal entries for 2015 and 16. Okay, then move ahead with ledger accounts. Now while posting it into ledger, you can see that this is the only one compound entry that is there. Royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to minimum rent. So it will be split this way. Royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to minimum rent can be written as royalty account debtor to minimum rent, short workings account debtor to minimum rent. Now when you are preparing royalty account, so you will be writing royalty is debited, so you will be writing to minimum rent in royalty account 30,000 for the first year. Okay, then you have by P&L. So you can see royalty only in the second entry and fourth entry. Royalty account another second entry nalli fourth entry nalli matra kanisado. So you will write to minimum rent by P&L for first 2 years. Okay, to minimum rent royalty column amount, by P&L royalty column amount. So the same thing will be done for first 2 years. Royalty account you can see to minimum rent by P&L, to minimum rent by P&L, royalty column amount is written for 2015 and 16. So I hope it is clear. Now minimum rent account is prepared only when short workings exist. Okay, so minimum rent account is prepared only when short working is there. So only for first 2 years you have short workings. So you will prepare short workings only for first 2 years. Okay, so the entry will be, here you can see 2 minimum rent, 2 minimum rent. Minimum rent is credited. So credit side you have to write by royalty, by short workings. Amount will be 30,000 and 20,000. So by royalty, by short workings, 30,000, 20,000. To Bhanu Pratap, from where did this come? The first entry. Minimum rent account debtor to Bhanu Pratap. Minimum rent is debited, so on the debit side of minimum rent account you have to write to Bhanu Pratap. Amount is minimum rent amount. Okay, so to Bhanu Pratap, minimum rent amount. So similarly for 2016, by royalty, by short workings, the same thing. Okay, amount will be royalty column amount, short workings column amount. To Bhanu Pratap, it will be minimum rent amount. So minimum rent account is done. Okay, only for first 2 years you will have entries in minimum rent account. Okay, next short workings account. If you see short workings account, first year it is to minimum rent 20,000, second year again it is to minimum rent 8,000. so whatever short working is there, it will be debited to short workings account because it's an asset. You have paid extra, it can be recovered in future. So you'll write to minimum rent. From where did this come? Have a look at the journal entries. So you've written royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor, to minimum rent. So this is the only place where you can see short workings here. None of the places, none of the entries you can find short workings other than this. Okay, so there is no short workings here, no short workings here, no short workings here. Only in the second entry, short working account debtor to minimum rent is written. So short working debit side you have to write to minimum rent. Amount is short workings amount, short workings column amount. Okay, first 2 years you are going to do the same thing. Okay, so short workings account, have a look. To minimum rent 20,000, by balance carried down 20,000, because that's the only entry in 2015 you show it in the balance sheet. That's why you write by balance carried down. Again 1/1/2016, to balance brought down 20,000. 31st December 2016, to minimum rent 8,000. So 28,000 extra you have paid. Okay, by balance carried down 28,000. Okay, so first 2 years put together you have paid 28,000 extra. This is carried down to next year 2017. Okay, 17 and 18 we will discuss later on. Next, have a look at Bhanu Pratap's account. Bhanu Pratap's account, if you see the journal entries, okay, minimum rent account debtor to Bhanu Pratap. So Bhanu Pratap is credited, you have to write by minimum rent. Here you cannot see Bhanu Pratap's account. Here again you see the third entry, Bhanu Pratap's account debtor to bank. So in Bhanu Pratap's account, what are the things that you can see? By minimum rent to bank, that's all. Amount is minimum rent column amount or cash paid column amount. So first 2 years 2015 and 16, it's going to be by minimum rent to bank. So have a look in Bhanu Pratap's account, it's by minimum rent to bank for first 2 years. Amount paid column amount, cash paid column amount or minimum rent column amount, both are one and the same. Okay, so here we have finished explaining the lectures for first 2 years. Now go to the next 2 years wherein there is short workings recovery, 17 and 18. So when short workings recovery is there, what are the entries that you should be writing? Royalty account debtor to lessor, lessor's account debtor to bank to short workings, and P&L account debtor to royalty. In recovery is not there, so this entry won't come. So royalty account debtor to Bhanu Pratap, Bhanu Pratap account debtor to bank to short workings, P&L account debtor to royalty. The same entries are written for 2017 and 18. Okay, amounts, have a look. Royalty column amount should be written for the first entry. Royalty account debtor to Bhanu Pratap, royalty column amount. Okay, here Bhanu Pratap's account debtor, the same amount you will write. So to Bhanu Pratap, whatever you have written, the same amount you will write here. To bank, cash paid column amount. To short workings, recovery column amount. P&L account debtor to royalty, this royalty account debtor 67,500 you will write. Okay. So 2018 also the same set of entries. Royalty account debtor to Bhanu Pratap, royalty amount you will write, royalty column amount. Bhanu Pratap's account debtor to bank. See, Bhanu Pratap's account debtor, when you write the same amount you will transfer here. To Bhanu Pratap you have written, no, the same amount you will write here. To bank, cash paid column amount. To short workings, recovery column amount. P&L account debtor to royalty, you will write royalty column amount. So I hope passing journal entries are quite easy and you have understood it. So let's look into ledger posting. Now in ledger posting you can see that only second entry is compound entry, wherein you have 2 credits and 1 debit. Okay, now how do you write it? Bhanu Pratap or lessers account debtor to bank to short working. If it is there, you write it as lessers account debtor to bank, lessers to bank, lessers account debtor to short workings. Lessers account debtor to bank is 50,000. Lessers account debtor to short working 17,500. Both of them put together, 650 plus 17,500 put together, it will be 67,500. So this will have an impact only in short workings account and lessers account. In lessers account, you will be writing to bank, to short workings. In short workings account, you will write by lessers account. Okay, so let's look into the lecture posting. First account that we are doing is royalty account. So have a look. Royalty, first entry you have written it as to Bhanu Pratap. Third entry, it is P&L account debtor to royalty. So royalty is credited, you have to write by P&L. So in royalty account for 2017 and 18, you will be getting to Bhanu Pratap by P&L. Okay, so to Bhanu Pratap and by P&L in 17 and 18. To Bhanu Pratap by P&L for 2017 and 18. Okay, so the amount will be royalty column amount. Always remember, in royalty account it is always royalty column amount that you write. Okay, so to Bhanu Pratap by P&L royalty column amount for 2017 and 18. Okay, 2019 we will have a look at it later on. So 2017 royalty account debtor to Bhanu Pratap's account 67,500. So to Bhanu Pratap 67,500 by P&L 67,500. Similarly in 2018 to Bhanu Pratap 90,000 by P&L 90,000. So this is done, royalty accounts for 17 and 18. Now have a look at short workings account. So what has happened to short workings? It is recovered. So when it is recovered, you have to write to short workings. No, so short working is credited here. It is credited here. So you will be writing by lesser. By lesser 17,500 for recovery in 2017. So by Bhanu Pratap. Bhanu Pratap is a lesser. By Bhanu Pratap 17,500. Remaining 10,500 you will carry forward. See, 20,000 and 8,000 you had paid extra. So whenever you pay extra, you will write to minimum rent. Whenever short working is there and minimum rent account is required, you will write to minimum rent. Okay. Remaining is balance carried down and balance brought down. That's all. So whenever it is recovered, you will write by lessers account. By here lesser is Bhanu Pratap, so by Bhanu Pratap's account it is recovered. Recovery column amount is 17,500. Remaining amount is carried forward. Again carried down 10,500. So 10,500 you will bring it forward to balance brought down. Again you will write by Bhanu Pratap 10,500. So 28,000 whatever you had paid extra, 17,500 you recovered in 2017. 10,500 is still remaining, which you will recover in 2018. That's all. Why Bhanu Pratap? Because in 2018 again you can see in 2018 it is Bhanu Pratap's account debtor to bank to short workings. So here it is two short workings, so it is credited. You will write by Bhanu Pratap 10,500. Okay, so by Bhanu Pratap 10,500. So short workings account is done. In 2019 there will be no effect on short workings account because there is no amount in short working column nor in recovery column. That's why, or nor in a recovery column. That's why there will be no entry for 2019 in short workings account. Okay, so have a look. Whenever you have short working, it is to minimum rent. Whenever there is recovery, by lessers account. Whenever there is irrecovery, by P&L. In this problem there is no irrecovery, that's why there is no by P&L account. That's all. Next, have a look at Bhanu Pratap's account. In Bhanu Pratap's account, you have to write by royalty to bank to short workings. So have a look at the journal entries in 2017. So first entry is royalty account debtor to Bhanu Pratap. So Bhanu Pratap is credited. So that's why you write by royalty. Okay. So by royalty, because Bhanu Pratap is credited, on the credit side you will write by royalty. Here Bhanu Pratap is debited in the second entry. So you will write to bank to short workings. That's all. So here you can see lessers account debtor to bank to short workings. So lessers account debtor to bank, lessers account debtor to short workings. So both to bank and to short workings will come in 2017 and 18. So have a look at Bhanu Pratap's account. By royalty, first entry is royalty account debtor to lessers account, royalty account debtor to Bhanu Pratap's account, royalty amount. Okay, both the years, royalty amount. And second entry will be to bank to short workings. So Bhanu Pratap's account debtor to bank to short workings. Amount will be amount paid column amount and recovery column amount. again over here, amount paid column amount 79,500, recovery column amount 10,500. So I hope you have understood the royalty account, short workings account and Bhanu Pratap account for 2017 and 18. For 2015 and 16 only you had minimum rent account. Minimum rent account, there will be no entries for rest of the years because there is no short working in rest of the years. Let's move on to 2019, the last year. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಿಕವರಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇರ್ರಿಕವರಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, royalty account added to lessors account added to bank, P&L account added to royalty. That's all. There is no recovery also. So have a look. Royalty account added to lessors account, that is Bhanu Pratap's account. Bhanu Pratap's account added to bank, P&L account added to royalty. Amount will be first royalty account added to Bhanu Pratap, royalty column amount 60,000. The same thing you are paying to Bhanu Pratap, so 60,000 cash paid is also the same amount. Then P&L account added to royalty is always royalty amount. Okay, whatever royalty debit you have written here, you will be writing to royalty. You will transfer it to production or P&L account based on output or sales. So your third entry will be P&L account added to royalty. So here you can see in royalty, what is the impact? Royalty account debtor. So debit side to Bhanu Pratap 60,000. Here credit side, because here you have written to royalty, credit side by P&L you will be writing 60,000. So to Bhanu Pratap by P&L 60,000 you have written. Second entry, there is no royalty account, that's why there is no impact on royalty account. Simple. Next, Bhanu Pratap account, have a look. So what exactly have you done to Bhanu Pratap? Here you have credited, so credit side you will write by royalty. Here you have debited, so debit side you will write to bank. So here you cannot find Bhanu Pratap's account, so you ignore it. So it is by royalty to bank. Bhanu Pratap's account will be by royalty to bank for 2019. Now short workings account is not required in 2019. There is no entry in short workings account for 2019 because there is no short working nor recovery. Minimum rent account also is over because only for 15 and 16 you had entries in that particular account. So minimum rent account is also done. So I hope you have understood this problem. If you have any doubts, kindly contact me. Either drop a comment on the comment section below or you can drop a comment on Google Classroom platform. So I hope you have understood this problem. Thank you so much.